You know, we connect all the dots, and we're kind of like the motor oil to the engine, if I can give that analogy.
It consists of taking care of the operations of the school and the cleaning.
Anything outside the school to make the school look great, that's what we do.
We keep the school clean and safe for the students and staff, making sure that when they come, everything is ready for them. My typical day working here is getting everything set in the morning when I come, lights, doors, making sure that nothing is out of the ordinary.
We have more than 40 buildings which we do work and provide the service for our scholars and teachers and staff.
After the breakfast is over, I will make sure that that's all cleaned up and prepare the lunchroom ready for lunch.
It's a process depending on what we're doing that day. If the grass is tall, if there's some bushes that need pruning, or if something is broken, we fix it.
Check my emails, check my work orders, any emergency or rush orders, supplies that a school ran out of.
If they come to a school looking good, they feel, oh, we're coming to a phase that wants us to be here. That's how we like to have it. Clean for them, looking good, fresh.
I feel supported by the open relationships and the help.
We're in constant communication.
The most important part of my job is to come to work every day and see if my sites are safe and ready for scholars and teachers to work in, right? So they can learn and study what they have during the day.
It's all about the scholars, having the schools provided with the supplies, the materials, the curriculum, everything that they need so that they can educate the scholars and help them succeed.
I think we do have some impact on the kids. We see them every day, they greet you. So I really like that they feel comfortable, and when they're happy, I think they learn a lot.
You know, we're FWPS because we provide a clean and sterile environment for our scholars to learn and to reach their maximum potential.